The universe is big, really big. How big? Imagine the biggest thing you can, 1 billion Earths lined up side by side. Now multiply that by 1 billion, and again by 1 billion. You're still not even close to grasping the vastness of space. It's a concept so huge, it's almost impossible for our human minds to truly comprehend. We live on a tiny planet called Earth, orbiting an average star we call the Sun. Our solar system, a collection of planets and celestial objects, is just one of billions in the Milky Way galaxy. And the Milky Way itself? Just one galaxy among billions upon billions more, scattered across the cosmos like grains of sand on an endless beach. The distances involved are equally mind-boggling. Light, traveling at an unfathomable 186,000 miles per second, takes years to reach us from even the nearest stars. When we look up at the night sky, we're seeing light that left those stars thousands, even millions of years ago. We're essentially looking back in time. Faced with such immensity, it's hard not to feel incredibly small. Our entire planet, with all its bustling cities, towering mountains, and vast oceans, becomes a mere speck of dust in the grand cosmic scheme. Our lifetimes, even the entirety of human history, shrink to an infinitesimal blip compared to the age of the universe. It's a humbling realization, to say the least. We're not at the center of everything as we once believed. We're not even particularly special, at least in terms of size and scale. Our place in the universe is one of remarkable insignificance, but this realization doesn't have to be a disheartening one. Instead, it can be a source of awe and wonder. The universe, in all its vastness and complexity, is filled with endless possibilities. We may be small, but we're part of something truly extraordinary. The realization of our cosmic insignificance can be a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it can be liberating. Our everyday problems, our worries and anxieties can seem trivial in the face of such immensity. It's a reminder to focus on what truly matters, to live in the present moment, and to appreciate the beauty of the world around us. On the other hand, this realization can also be overwhelming. It's easy to feel insignificant, even meaningless, in the grand scheme of things. If we're just a tiny part of a vast and indifferent universe, does our existence really matter? What's the point of it all? These are questions that have plagued philosophers and scientists for centuries. There are no easy answers, and each of us must come to our own conclusions. But perhaps the first step is to embrace the awe and wonder that comes with contemplating our place in the cosmos. To truly grasp our smallness, consider some astronomical discoveries. Our Sun is just one of an estimated 200 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. That's more stars than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. And the Milky Way itself? It's just one galaxy among an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. The distances involved are equally staggering. The nearest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. That means the light we see from it today left the star over 4 years ago, and the most distant galaxies we can see are billions of light-years away, their light having traveled for billions of years to reach us. These numbers are almost impossible to comprehend. They speak to a universe so vast, so ancient, and so filled with wonder that it defies our attempts to fully grasp it. Here's a surprising insight. Despite our cosmic insignificance, we're intimately connected to the universe. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of dying stars, scattered across the cosmos in supernova explosions, and eventually coalesced to form our planet and everything on it. We are, quite literally, stardust. The iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, the oxygen we breathe, all of it was created in the fiery furnaces of stars that lived and died long ago. This realization underscores a profound truth. We are not separate from the universe, but an integral part of it. We are connected to every other star, every other galaxy, every other atom in the cosmos through this shared cosmic history. We began by acknowledging the universe's mind-boggling size, a reality that shrinks our planet to a mere speck of dust. This realization can be both humbling and overwhelming, urging us to confront our seemingly insignificant place within the grand cosmic scheme. Yet as we delve deeper, we uncover a universe teeming with stars and galaxies, a tapestry woven with the threads of time and unimaginable distances. Even more awe-inspiring is the realization that we are not merely observers in this cosmic dance, we are active participants. The very atoms that constitute our being were forged in the hearts of stars, linking us to the universe's grand narrative. So, what does our smallness mean for humanity? What does it mean to be a sentient being in a universe so vast and ancient? These are questions worth pondering, questions that invite us to explore the depths of our existence and our connection to the cosmos. I encourage you to share your thoughts and continue your exploration of the universe and our place within it. There's a universe of knowledge out there, waiting to be discovered.